But here's the beauty about the system. You don't only get paid if somebody buys a product. You actually get paid when somebody signs up via your link to check out the free training. They don't have to buy anything. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best affiliate marketing program to join in 2024. This is one of the best affiliate marketing programs for complete beginners to join, and there's beginners just like you who are jumping on board and generating results on the exact same day. I'm talking a few hours of joining this program, guys. You can start generating income because there's members just like you and people just like you who have never met a single dollar online and are able to tap into the system and generate amazing results from day one. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more about this affiliate marketing program, you better stay tuned, take notes, and most importantly, go check out the program so you also can start getting those results in your business. Okay, so the secret website I'm going to be sharing with you guys is none other than funnelpire.com. So Funnelpire is a platform that sells different types of digital products. So one of the products that you gain access to at Funnelpire is digital marketing courses. So these are in-depth courses, guys, that teach you step by step how to do affiliate marketing, blogging, branding, content marketing, how to market your digital products, drop shipping, email marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads, running your business, ebook courses, how to make money with ebooks, how to create and sell your online courses, Amazon affiliate marketing, social media marketing, overcoming excuses, boutique business, webinars for business, influencer marketing. I could go on and on, guys. There's over 20 in-depth courses here, guys, that you can learn anything from starting your online business, creating passive income, and marketing your business as well using so many different platforms. So this is an amazing online learning and educational platform where you can learn the skills that you need to start and grow your successful online business. Another product that you can gain access to at Funnelpire, of course, is Done For You Resell Right ebooks that you can resell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profits, guys. These are digital products that are available in so many different niches, and every single one of those niches comes with at least 4 different ebooks that you can sell as your own, rebrand it, you can charge your own prices and keep 100% profits. So Funnelpire also offers you a library of ready-made digital products that you can sell as your own, guys, and they're constantly adding new products here as well. So there's always going to be options for you guys. You can sell these products as your own. It's already been done for you. You can go out there, sell it, and make money. Okay, and not only that, Funnelpire also provides you with done for you websites. So these are websites that have already been created in so many different niches, guys, that you can literally just rebrand as your own. You can put your own logo. Everything is done for you with your own business name. It comes with digital products and physical products all loaded onto your website, ready for you to start generating income, guys. You can see this is a hair business website here, for example. This has already been created. It's been preloaded with products that you can sell right away. And if you were interested in starting your hair business, this is a website that you could easily purchase, guys. And then, your logo will be done for you. The products will be added. Everything will be connected to your payment account. And some of those websites even come with digital products in your niche as well. So these are the products that Funnelpire currently offers that you can tap into as a member. So now let's talk about how you can go on to actually generate income, 7 streams of income, guys, using this platform. Okay. So to get started with the Funnelpire program, you want to go here and actually click to access the free training. So that's basically the funnel that everybody goes through because, it's really important that you understand what you are signing up for before you join the program. So you want to go ahead and check out the free training, guys. That's the first step. Click over there, sign up for your free account, guys, and that's going to grant you access to the free training where you can learn more about the program. You can learn everything that you need to know, guys, and then, you can decide on whether or not this is the platform for you, okay? And if you're interested, you can activate your online business, guys. It's just $47, guys. That's a one-time fee to activate your website. It's only a one-time fee of $47 to join the Funnelpire program, okay? And once you join the Funnelpire program, like I said, you gain access to different products, okay? So by just jumping on board, guys, you're able to gain access to 10 digital products that you can start reselling right now as your own in so many different niches, guys. This means you are spoiled for choice. Not only that, guys, you also gain access to this digital product marketing course teaching you how to go out there and start selling your done for you ebooks and digital products, as well as a social media calendar here, guys, telling you what to post on social media every day for 30 days. So now I know what you guys are thinking. How do I go on to generate 7 streams of income? So of course, the first stream of income is just you following the trainings and creating your own business and, going out there and doing your own thing. That's one stream of income that you can create. So how do you unlock access, guys, to 7 other streams of income? This is just another additional way that you can start making money and that a lot of the members are getting results whilst building their thing on the side. Because here's the thing, starting a business from scratch can take time to build, especially if you're just new in the online space, you don't have an audience and things of that nature. So it's just going to take you longer to start getting to a certain level of result, selling your own products. This is why tapping into a done for you product, guys, and tapping into this Funnelpire system is a great way to start getting results even faster. So at the members area, if you just click here to start earning today, it's going to bring you to the affiliate members area, guys. This is where you're able to learn more about promoting the Funnelpire program. So you can literally go out there and recommend this platform to someone else, right? And all you're going to be doing, guys, is sending them to this free training right here. This is a free training that you are going to be sending to someone. So there's no selling, there's no, trying to recruit people. You're just recommending the platform to someone else out there. It's so simple, guys. It's like saying, hey, if you're looking for another way to generate income online, there's this free training that I came across and I thought, you will be interested in as well. And you just send them your affiliate link, guys, and you bring them on board, guys. And, they check out the free training the same way you did. And if they go on to sign up, guys, you can make some commissions. But not only that, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys other ways that you can make money with the system, guys. The beauty about Funnelpire is it's not just affiliate marketing, but you also get paid for tasks. Okay, so what does that mean? You actually make money for just completing a few tasks within the platform. And the system has been designed for especially beginners who are just getting started online, or even existing entrepreneurs or affiliates who have been struggling to make money on the internet, guys, because a lot of people, in fact, a majority of people, and this is backed by research, over 95% of people that start online barely make their first dollars within the first year of being on the internet. But with this system right here with Funnelpire, guys, Funnelpire is actually rewarding its members and its affiliates for simply completing simple tasks. So when you join the Funnelpire program, guys, if you go on and join the Facebook group and just introduce yourself in the Facebook group, you can make $2, guys, just introducing yourself in the Facebook group. This is insane. Like, you just go on a Facebook group, introduce yourself. Hey, guys, my name is this. I'm from this. I just joined the Funnelpire program. I'm so excited to be here and looking forward to connecting with you. Whatever the case may be, introduce yourself. $2. You are probably already a part of a ton of Facebook groups out here where, you're just communicating, commenting, and you're not getting paid for that stuff, guys. Like, you get paid $2 for just saying hi in the Facebook group. Like, this is insane. This is insane. Not only that, if you share a video review, okay, of the Funnelpire program, of course, honest reviews of what you've learned so far or any results and transformation that the program has helped you achieve, $20, guys, for just sharing a video review. $20, guys, can go into your pocket. This is crazy stuff. This is crazy, okay? This is stuff that you're probably already doing right now. Maybe you're reviewing other companies and you're not making any money. Why not tap into this platform, make money, share your honest review, and get paid? Here's another way you can make money, guys. You can literally send people to your affiliate link. But here's the beauty about the system. You don't only get paid if somebody buys a product. You actually get paid when somebody signs up via your link to check out the free training, right? So the free training I previously showed you guys, they don't have to buy anything. If they come and they join via your link, you earn 50 cents, guys, whether they decide to buy or not. And if you're sitting there thinking 50 cents, like that's literally nothing, think about it. I'm sure you guys are already part of, MLMs and affiliate programs, and you're sending people to your links, they're clicking on your links, they're signing up, they're checking out the programs, and you are making $0, guys. $0. Okay? You're still going out there and getting the traffic anyway, right? So with this system, you're just getting rewarded for your hard work. It's like, thank you for bringing somebody new on board. Even if they don't go ahead to upgrade, guys, you still get to keep your 50 cents. And this is not to say go out there and spam the system and do anything unethical, of course, because, that's illegal. You have to bring people in legitimately, of course, okay? So that means $50, guys, 50 cents, guys, per new lead. And then this platform already has all the selling at the back end that will be done for you. So you don't have to do any selling, guys. You just complete simple tasks. Okay, simple tasks. You already have Facebook, guys. You can do this thing on Facebook and earn money. As you can see right now, by just doing these 3 tasks, you've already made almost half of your investment back, guys. Almost half of your investment back. And then the rest of it is just going to be profit moving forward. Not only that, you can also get paid, guys, for sharing your payment banner, because once you've made $20, you're going to get an email with a payment banner saying, congratulations, you just earned over $20. If you share that payment banner in the Facebook group, guys, that's another $5 that you're getting back. If your leads go on to upgrade, right? you can earn anywhere from $18.80 to $350. Again, there's a ton of high ticket products at the back end that will be sold to your leads. And if they go on to upgrade to any high ticket products, guys, you can earn as high as $350 for that one lead. Okay, these are sales-based commissions, of course, because they have to actually go on to upgrade for you to earn this higher commissions. But even at that, guys, even if you were to bring, let's say, 10 people to check out this program, right? That's $5 in your pockets, guys. $5 for just bringing 10 people on board. You've made $5 already. That's crazy, right? Simple tasks that you can complete and make money, okay? I've not seen any other affiliate marketing program out here that's rewarding its members not only for the commissions, but also for just bringing people on board, completing simple tasks behind the scenes. And this also means, guys, that you can start making money whilst building your own thing at the back end. And here's the beauty about the system, guys. You even gain access to done for you content, guys. These are some of the, reels, faceless reels that you can use to promote the platform. And this means that you can upload these reels on your Instagram, your Facebook. You don't even have to create the marketing content yourself. Everything has already been done for you. This is crazy, guys. This is insane. Okay, so if you guys have been looking for the best way to make money online, the best affiliate marketing program to jump into, this is the one to tap into. This is a secret website that not so many people know about. And here's your opportunity, guys, to go activate your online business. Less than $50, guys. You could be making all that money back in literally a day, like guaranteed. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And again, there'll be a link below this. And again, if you guys are interested in joining, there's going to be a link below this video. Check out the platform. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.